Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing how I made this thumbnail using Capcut. Please remember to like and subscribe and also share this video if you find this helpful. When you open your Capcut app, you want to start new project, select any background you would like, tap on the image and select the ratio you want it to be. It's advisable to select a ratio of 16.4. that is the YouTube standard, and you want to adjust it. After that, what you want to do is you tap on the editing image and you add overlay. You go to the image you want to use, you select, you add it on the page and you adjust it to any side you want it to be. Adjust it to the size you want it to be. Now, if you notice in the photo, there is the original background on the image. Now, some people, when they want to remove this background, they make use of the two custom removal or auto removal, and they want to start tracing, doing all that stress, but we're not going to be doing that. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and it is very easy. Trust me, it is way easier than tracing and wanting to zoom out and zoom in repeatedly like you see here. You have to follow it very carefully. We're not going to be doing any of that stress. I'm going to be showing you how you can just take out your image. So what you want to do is you want to go to your browser, any browser you're using, and search background remover. On the background remover, the first website to pop up, you're going to click on it, upload image, select from your file or from your gallery, and you select the image you want to remove background. It is very simple. So when you just click on that image, it's going to automatically remove the background. Now you want to download it to your phone. You click on download, make sure it is downloaded to your phone. You can either save it to your file or your gallery or anywhere you want to save it, but you want to make sure it is saved to your phone. Now you want to go back to the Capcut app and you want to click on the image and add on the page. Now you're going to adjust it to the position you want that image to be. Now if you notice, the background is no longer there because we made use of the background remover. You're going to adjust and place it at the position you want it to be on your thumbnail. And after this, you add your Capcut image saved to your gallery. You adjust it. You make sure you adjust it to fit. Now guys, after this, you need to add text. You can write whatever text you want. I'm going to be using Capcut thumbnail tutorial. So for this overlay, I'm going to be using thumbnail, and I'm going to be using a different style and a different font. You can use whichever font and style you want. Like I mentioned earlier, you want to use very bright colors on your thumbnail. This helps to attract the viewers, people who are going to be seeing your video. You should use very bright colors and attractive fonts also. So you want to adjust it to fit however you want it to be. You can just fit. This is an example, so I'm just going to do it as I see fit for me. So yeah, now I'm going to add the tutorial overlay, and I'm going to also use a similar font but a different color for mine, and I'm going to lay it just under the thumbnail. Now guys, in Capcut you can choose whichever font. As you can see in the screen, there are different fonts to Capcut, so you just make sure you tap on fonts when you are adding text and you choose whichever font you want to use. And guys, I think this is basically it. Just make sure you resize it, not in a way for it to be bigger than your image. Now guys, if you want to export your photos on Capcut, to make the quality, you want to make your resolution to 2K/4K. It's going to take a little bit of space, more space and data, but it's going to come out very clear, crystal clear. Your both your audio and your visual is going to be crystal clear. Go to your gallery and play on the video. You're going to take a screenshot and crop out the image you want. Crop it. This is the image you're going to be using for your YouTube video. This is how the thumbnail is going to be like. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.